Hello, my name is Chris, and this is the third video of our How It Works series, in which we'll discuss the scheduling and completing a templating appointment. Once you have visited one of our yards and have selected a material or materials which will be used for your project, the next step is to schedule a templating appointment. Now, prior to doing so, the job site must be ready. So follow this checklist to ensure you're prepared for a visit. All appliances which will be in direct contact with the stone must be on site. Now, this includes, but is not limited to, stoves, cooktops, refrigerators, ranges, and dishwashers. Note, the appliances do not need to be installed, however should be accessible by our technician if necessary. A sink or sinks, if multiple sinks will be used, must be present at the job site. Now, to ensure a perfect fit, in certain cases, our technician will ask to take your sink to our fabrication facility. Don't have a sink? Ask a Marble.com associate about our complimentary sink options. Now, faucets and all sink accessories must be present at the job site during templating. And please notify our templating technician about any additional holes that may need to be drilled. Lastly, there is a 50% deposit due at the time of templating based on the estimated price of the project. Accepted form of payments include certified and personal checks and money orders. Keep in mind that personal checks might require additional turnaround fabrication time. For new kitchen cabinets and vanities, please remember, all new cabinets must be fully installed. No changes to cabinet layout can be made once they've been measured. It's also important that your newly installed cabinets are leveled for the best installation results. Replacing existing countertops? Here are the things to consider. Existing countertops must be removed prior to the arrival of our technician. Now, this service of removal and disposal of existing countertops may also be requested through Marble.com. Please note that the presence of existing countertops must be disclosed when scheduling an appointment. Here are some additional considerations. Your presence at the job site is very important. Our technician might have additional questions about your project, such as desired overhangs or corner radii. Now, residents of buildings that require additional permits or permissions must notify our staff of such prior to scheduling a templating appointment. Full backsplash templates may only be completed after the countertops are installed. Standard backsplashes, which are typically 3 to 6 inches in height, will be installed along with your countertops. For any other questions about our visit, please contact your local Marble.com fabrication facility. To ensure a precise fit of your countertops, Marble.com uses the latest laser templating technology to measure all projects. Once the technical drawing, along with the measurements, are verified by our on-site technician, they're automatically sent to our fabrication facility. And join us in the next video where we select the perfect slab for your project. Thanks for watching.